How's everybody doing? Figured I'd do a little unboxing real quick. I don't really do these too much, but it's a good opportunity. These are definitely one of my faves. Customer favorite also. Good stuff for the money, man. Good stuff. So Rockford Punch Series. Pretty much a 1-inch separate. I believe it's the 1-inch tweeter that they use in their component sets. The punch ones anyways. It's nice stuff, man. For $100 or $110 or whatever the guy paid for this, it ain't bad. So, got a little manual here. Got a couple crossovers. These are absolutely necessary. If you buy separate tweeters and they don't come with crossovers, it's a waste of time. It's one thing if you're going to be running an active setup, but if you're not, which most people are not, especially buying a tweeter of this caliber, not that it's that bad, but anyways, it's always better to have an external passive crossover hooked up to them, just in case. That's pretty nice stuff. It's kind of a different way of doing it. I like it though. So depending on which positive input terminal you connect to, either attenuates the tweeter or keeps it at 0 dB. And then that's your output. Definitely got some heft to it. Really nice shit. Pretty shallow. These are actually going in a customer's Pontiac G8. One hell of a car to work on, let me tell you. Very similar to the new Chargers, 300s, all the new Chrysler. Where you need like a $500 dash kit with the interface and everything. Has heater and climate controls and air conditioning and fan speed. All that good stuff built right into it. Nothing like paying $900 for a $400 radio. Anyways, we made it happen. We got a 4-channel on this boy. We got all 4 doors replaced. And you want to do some tweeters up in the front just to add a little something something. I recommended these because he wanted the flush mount option. And they look really nice when they're flush mounted. If I remember right. I thought there was a different ring that came with these. Maybe that was the Power Series. Anyway, after it's installed, and it's chilling in your door panel. That looks pretty damn nice. It's not too much, but it'll let you know, hey, I spent some money on this shit. This ain't stock. Anyways, the mounting is really cool. The way these fuckers work too. Excuse my French. But instead of a lot of times they have that spider thing on the back that you screw in. Anyway, these actually, you use the door panel as the mounting flange, and then you twist the tweeter into the cup and it gets tighter and tighter. And it locks in really nice. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to it. I'm gonna do a time lapse here in a minute of the whole installation of these boys. Start to finish, what it looks like before. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Lots more content coming.